What last night's vote showed very clearly and unequivocally is that the Republican leadership still has a very difficult uphill path toward a repeal measure, because all of the plans, whatever the version, Trump Care 5.0, 7.0, all decimate Medicaid and American health care for tens of millions of Americans and cost billions of dollars to states like Connecticut and all around the country. That second vote was a clear defeat for the president and for the Republican leadership, because it showed how amorphous and unsettled their path is. They have no plan. They have a slogan or a shell. And once they start giving it substance, they go down to defeat, as last night showed so clearly. There will be a vote today on the repeal and run measure, which is in effect a repeal without replacing it, and that will go down to defeat. And I think the Republicans are at sea, completely in uncharted territory. They have no idea what they are doing, because they cannot avoid the cataclysmic harm done to this country by decimating Medicaid, repealing the Affordable Care Act without guaranteeing essential health benefits. The effects of the Republican plans, every one of them, is catastrophic for Americans. And they are at sea because they cannot chart a path that avoids that extraordinary tsunami-like damage to Americans.
Any effort to try to justify discrimination will be harmful to our national security. What the president did was outrageous. He's compromising America's national security to try to appease his political base, and it's wrong. Senator Sessions, I did not support for Attorney General, but he did the right thing when he recused himself in regards to the Russian investigation. He put the integrity of the Department of Justice first. It's important for the president to know that the Attorney General is the people's attorney for the country, not the president's personal lawyer. So I hope Senator Sessions will continue that commitment.
I cannot imagine making military and national security policy by tweet, and particularly based, again, on just the snippet of information I've gotten, to do something like that, which is clearly designed to discriminate rather than to focus on those who can serve our country, particularly when we need talented people who want to stand up for America and our values. I think seems very, very odd.